at home and abroad. British cuisine is synonymous with the art of baking, in particular, of making and eating all manner of sweet cakes, at all times of the day, for any occasion. Here is the list of 8 most famous British cake. Number 8, Victoria Sponge. Sometimes also referred to as a Victoria sandwich, this legendary sponge cake ranks high on the list of every self-respecting cake lover in Britain. Named after Queen Victoria, the sponge came to prominence with the rise of afternoon tea in the 19th century. As bourgeois and aristocratic lunchers turned to delicate sandwiches and thick wedges of cake as something to chat over with one another. The Victoria sponge is perhaps the most British of cakes, a timeless classic and a crowd pleaser that never fails to delight. Number 7, Chelsea bun. In the 18th century, bun is a thoroughly traditional tea-time snack. Made with cinnamon, allspice, lemon peel and other aromatics, the Chelsea bun was said to be a particular favorite of King George II, who would walk from the palace to the bun house in the morning to buy them for himself and his household. Number 6, Madeira cake. Named after the Portuguese island of Madeira and the cloyingly sweet dessert wine it produces, Madeira cake was designed to be the perfect accompaniment for a tipple. But Britons, perhaps not wanting to drink dessert wine all the time, found a way to bring it into their everyday diet. Number 5, shortbread. The oldest printed recipe of this quintessentially Scottish biscuit came in 1736, but its origins precede the handiwork of the erstwhile Mrs. McClintock. Mary, Queen of Scots, was known to be enamored with buttery shortbread biscuits, eating them with abandon throughout her reign. Nowadays, they are a must-try and a must-buy for any visitor to Scotland, but be warned, as Mary, Queen of Scots, knew, they're incredibly addictive. Number 4, scone. Nothing says cozy Middle England like a warm scone, slathered with clotted cream and strawberry jam as the cornerstone of the classic cream tea. However, the scone's origins are not English, but Scottish. Said to be a transformation of the Scottish bannock, a quick bread grilled over an open flame, the scone, as the story goes, was named for the town of Scone where Scottish kings were crowned. Number 3, Eccles cake. The Eccles cake divides opinion in Britain. If you don't like raisins or currants, it probably isn't for you. Created in Eccles in Greater Manchester, this cake is as curranty as you could ever find. Fistfuls of dried fruit are wrapped up in flaky pastry and baked until they become a semi-solid mass inside the steaming cake. Very often part of the classic school dinner, even the mention of Eccles cake sends shivers down the spine of some people. But others, who loved it then and love it now, know that the beauty of this cake lies in its simplicity. Number 2, Welsh cake. Cooked like bread on a scorching hot bake stone, which gives the cake its characteristically crusted base. The Welsh cake, unlike the scone, is eaten unadorned. Jam and cream are far from necessary with a cake as sweet as this. Raisins, sultanas and currants, along with plenty of sugar, enrich the dough, making it enough of a treat alongside a mug of tea. Number 1, Battenberg cakes. Battenberg cake is a light dessert consisting of alternating, colored squares of Jeune sponge coated with an exterior of apricot jam and almond paste. It is believed that the cake was invented in order to celebrate the 1884 wedding of Prince Louis of Battenberg to Princess Victoria. The 4 sections of Jeune sponge are supposed to represent the 4 Battenberg princes, Louis and his brothers.